Good job, Joshy.
Mommy, videotape me!
Alright.
Are you doing it?
Yep. Go, Emily! Whoa, Andrew!
Mama, did you get me?
Yeah, I did.
Here
Here comes Joshy. Whoa, Em, good job. So Em, tell me what this new sport is.
Huh?
What's the name of this new sport?
Sled boarding.
Sled boarding, huh? Cool. Hey boys, come down. I'm still taping. Whoa! Joshy, you're pretty good at that. And Joshua, were you the one who invented this yesterday?
Huh?
Were you the one who invented this yesterday?
I was the inventor, and I invented it. Invented
Joshy,
sled boarding.
Joshy.
Sled boarding. Not like this. Like a real snowboarder. Huh? Ah! Woohoo!
Come on, Andrew.
Ready. Go now.
Go, Andrew, go. Oh, Rebecca. Oh, hi you. You want to try sled boarding too? Yeah? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, cutie pie. I'm gonna get you, cutie pie. Are you a cutie pie? Huh? Are you a cutie pie? Say yes. Where's your big smile? Show me your 5 teeth. Show me your 5 teeth. Hi, sweetie. Well, with the melting that's going on here, this might be the last day for sled boarding. Hey guys, today might be the last day for sled boarding. Well, look at how much melted on the road just today. If it's this sunny and warm tomorrow, the road is going to be dirt. What's that? Oh, okay. We'll get bikes out tomorrow?
Yeah.
Andrew, come down one more time so I can record you. Andrew, go! Go, go, go! Come on! Go, Andrew! Woohoo! Go, Joshy!
Watch out, Andrew! Champion coming through!
Whoa, look at you! Joshy!
Didn't mean fun, though.
Joshua! Joshua! Show me a big smile. Look at that pretty smile. Andrew, what are you doing?
Mommy, how much more time do you have left?
Not much.
Can I go again?
Probably.
Is there enough time for me to go again?
Yep, I think so.
Okay, good.
Go, Andrew! Whoa! Joshy! Come down close to me.
Hi, Mom!
Woo!